I'll show you a little trick on how to install fuel line on a lawn tractor. We'll tape a rope to the one end of the fuel line. Now when we pull out the fuel line, we'll be able to get the exact same channel going back in. As I pull this out, we can see our rope. We'll be able to tie our new piece onto the rope and pull it through. We'll disconnect the rope. We'll disconnect the clamp. I'll cut through some of the hose, but not all the way through. I don't want to nick the connector. With some sharp cutters, I'll relieve the stress. Remove the hose without any damage. Here's the new hose. We'll put a hose clamp on and start to slide it in place. We'll slide the clamp into place. Now we're on nice and tight. I'll tape the new hose onto the rope. Then I'll be able to pull everything back through all those intricate channels. We'll pull on the one side until I feel some tension, and then guide it through on the other side. You can see it's just going right through, but anytime I see some tension, I help work it through. Finally, I've got it all the way through. I'll work the tank in, keep pulling out the slack. We'll disconnect the rope. Now we can connect the rest up to the carburetor.